So we just learned how to create package and how to create your first class. Now we are going to create our first program. So just come and we will try to write our first program. So if you are familiar with Eclipse or if you're going to use Eclipse, just type S out, then press Control and space bar. So once you press, it will automatically come system.out println. So this statement is responsible to print anything in your console. Like that, if you are running your program and you want to see what is the output, you can use system.out.println. So with the help of system.out.println, you can easily see your output. So we are just going to print hello world. So just use this one, okay. Then use hello world. After complete of your statement, try to save your statement. So just use Control S. So it has been saved. Now if you come up and you can see one option is here to run. You can run from here also, or you can click here and you can see your one option is already to run. So when you click on the run, it will ask your class name. So just run this one. So once you run and if you come down, you can see we got our output as a hello world. So if you come and if you just try to edit this one, again Control S and just come and just run here. After running of your program, you can directly see it is showing your hello world 123. So in this whole video we learn how to use system.out println and how to print our first program.